Hello, this video will showcase the application for StrataShield SA ALU VB. StrataShield SA ALU VB is a cold-applied, self-adhesive bituminous air and vapor barrier which is saturated and coated with high-quality modified bitumen. Before beginning, make sure you have the necessary tools for a smooth installation. First, ensure the substrate is clean, dry, and free from any dust, grease, or debris that could interfere with adhesion. Surface preparation is critical to ensure a proper bond between the vapor control layer and the substrate. Once the substrate has been cleaned, you can begin applying Strata Prime SA. This product can be applied using a roller or a brush for smaller or intricate details. Ensure the primer is applied evenly with no pooling. Leave it to dry for approximately 15 minutes or until it is dry to touch. 2 coats may be required on very porous substrates, and the product may need to be reapplied if the surface becomes contaminated or if left exposed for longer than 4 hours before applying subsequent membrane. Unroll the membrane and measure the sections required for your roof layout. Carefully cut to shape, making sure you allow for overlaps at the seams and edges to maintain a continuous barrier. Starting at one end, bring back a small section of the StrataShield SA ALU VB, then make a small cut along the membrane, ensuring that you only cut the film on the back and not through the membrane itself. Remove the film and dress the membrane up the upstand detail, ensuring that you get in as tight as possible into the angles. Then, on the other end of the membrane, roll up the vapor control layer to where you made the cut. Grab each side of the backing film and start pulling it back while simultaneously brushing the membrane, making sure all air bubbles are removed and the vapor control layer is fully adhered to the substrate. For maximum moisture protection, overlap each section of StrataShield by at least 50 millimeters. This overlap helps maintain a continuous vapor control layer across the entire surface. Once the seams are in place, use the roller to secure the overlap firmly, making sure there are no gaps or raised edges. A hot air gun should be utilized if the temperature is below 10 Celsius. After the main field area has been completed, begin detailing by cutting out a strip of the StrataShield SA ALU VB. Place the vapor control layer at the top of the upstand and carefully make your way down, making sure the membrane is fully attached with no air bubble or wrinkles. Ensure that the membrane is at least 50 millimeters above the insulation, but ideally it should cover the whole upstand. Use the hand roller to ensure the membrane is fully adhered and tight in the corners. For internal corners, press the membrane as tight as possible into the corner. This will create a triangle, which is called a pig's ear. Take this excess membrane and fold it flat against one side of the corner. This creates a double layer of the membrane in the corner, forming a strong, reinforced seal. Once installed, perform a thorough inspection of all seams and detailing. StrataShield SA ALU VB must be firmly attached to every part of the roof to provide maximum vapor control and moisture protection. If installed correctly, the membrane will offer a temporary watertight seal. Thank you for watching.